Engineer, where are you headed? Carry me back to Tennessee.
Hey friends, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be talking about a camping fan. This is not just a camping fan. Now, if you know me, I test out a lot of cool technology. For someone to convince me to test out a fan, a camping fan, well, it's got to be cool, and that, I assure you, it is. This is by Jerry, and it's a brand that they're trying to really lift off the ground, and I think that's really cool because there's some really cool features about this fan. First of all, being a camping fan, standard fare, it's got to be powered by batteries, and that it actually is. So I'm just going to press this button right here, and the fan just came on, and it's got a few different levels, but the cool thing about it is there we go. That is your fan speed. It's that little dial right there. And you can see as I do that, you actually have blue light indicators showing you what the level of fan is. Now, let's just say you're sleeping and you don't want the blue lights. You're just going to hit this button right here. And there you go. The lights go off, so that's really cool too. Now, what if you want to go to bed and you forget to turn it off and you don't want to run out the battery? You're going to press this button here, and that is going to turn on the timer. So you get different time settings, and right here you can do 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour time limits. But we're going to turn that off because I don't really care about that. I've actually been sleeping with this fan because I have to have a fan. Well, I've been sleeping with the fan on. Yeah, don't be weird, people. I know who you are. Anyways, and specifically Annette, talking to you. So, if I look at this, we have a couple different things going on. The head articulates this way. It does move. And what kind of battery-powered fan would it be if it didn't have really cool, right there, as you can see, USB-A and USB-C connections. And it does tell you, if you do a USB-C right here, it will do an 18-watt fast charge for the fan and the battery, and that's really cool too. But it also says, got to get back up there too, in and out. So you can charge your phone from this too. So when you're on that camping trip, this right here, it's going to do it all for you. And you know what? You would think that's it, right? No, you would actually be wrong. This right here is a light. And not only is it just a light, but it gets brighter and it gets brighter. So that's built into it as well. You know, here's the thing. That's not it. Well, that's where this comes into play. So not only is it a light, is it a charger, is it a fan, is it a night light, does it have timers, but, well, it can spin. It's a rotational fan as well. And not only is it rotational, but it does multiple different degrees of turning. You can do a narrow turn. You can do up to 120 degrees on the turn. Now, if I hit this button right here, it's just going to stay there. And that means it's going to stay in one part. But if I hit this, it's going to do a lot more. I'm controlling it right here. When I turned on the light, you should have noticed something else. It's hanging from the ceiling. It's actually upside down. So that means it can hook from the top of a tent or anywhere that you're at to cascade a really nice area of light. Now, that means it can sit in the corner of a tent, the corner of a porch. You're going to keep the light away, and with this remote right here, you're going to be able to control it 100%. And then also, it's running. It's really quiet. Isn't that amazing? You can hear me just fine. But, can you hear that fan? That should tell you something. It's going to let you sleep. Some people can't sleep with a loud beating of a fan. If we look right here, you're going to see that hook. It does lock down in place, and you can see You've got your handle up here, so the portability is really good. And the size is really good too. I believe the impeller in here, the propeller, whatever it is I would say right around 4 inches to 5 inches. But it's quiet. The battery lasts a long time. And that's what I'm talking about. This is the type of stuff that really makes a difference when you're out there and you can't rely on a power source 120. This is just battery powered, and I gotta say, I am pleasantly surprised with it. Now, if you'd like to learn some more about this because you're taking camping trips, you'd like to have something like this in your house or home or somewhere else, or you just don't have any power on your porch, I'm going to put a link down below, but check it out. I really, really do like this fan. This right here is going to be a frequent flyer when I'm outside working, when I'm camping. If I don't have any type of power, I'm going to bring this because it just does so much. It's really, really cool. My name's Brent. This has been Live Free and Tool, and I hope that this helped you. If you have any questions, reach out. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Jump down below, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the like button again. And until next time, get out there, go build something. Try something new like this. Pass on your lessons and the solutions to the next generation. And I think that we'll all be better for it at the end of the day. And until next time, again, my name's Brent. See ya.